Across Fresno County, education makes an impact. Learning inspires students, dedicated teachers ensure success, and these stories strengthen our communities. Watch Education Matters, Mondays at 6:30 on KC24. Local news that matters. Brought to you by EECU, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University.
Math is numbers, symbols, calculating. And Jeremiah Roush, professor of mathematics at Fresno Pacific University, says it is also creativity.
It's because we focus so much on skills in the K-12 experience especially, that we don't realize that creativity not only lives in math, it is what math is.
Understanding that math fosters creativity, the Ames Center for Math and Science Education has built a space for people to do just that, create.
We're calling it the Maker Studio. It's just a creative laboratory for hands-on projects and learning, for people to learn tools and technologies that can support STEAM learning, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics.
The Ames Center and Maker Studio are located on the campus of Fresno Pacific University. It is a colorful, bright spot that students and instructors seek out.
I think that the studio is a great way for people to relax and just have time from our schoolwork, just a place to express our creativity.
Students like Jaslin and Cathy Hernandez not only use this space, but work as assistants, helping others bring their projects to life.
Regardless if you think your idea isn't such a creative idea, here the people help you see how your idea was very creative.
And that is what you see when you look around this space. Everyone making something. All of the materials are provided free. Equipment such as a laser cutter and 3D printers, all for use.
As an upcoming teacher, I feel like it gives me ideas what I can do in the future with my students, and they gave me many ideas here as the wind tube, to use that in my classroom as a future teacher.
The Ames Maker Studio also provides workshops for educators and partners with local schools. On Saturdays, the community is invited in to participate in the practice of hands-on learning.
So to get these practices of making, of failure, of trying something and figuring out how to change it to make it work, there's problem solving and critical thinking and just the pride and ownership of, I made something.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.